Hello everyone. So there are a few memory based these questions for this GATE MT 2023. So these are the 2 marks question. So question 1, match the following. So first one is this crankshaft, so which is for forging, machine bed, which is for this casting, automatic brake pad, which is for powder metallurgy, beverage can, which is for sheet metal forming. So this second question, which is this MSQ. Consider the fusion building of ASS containing 0.06 weight percent of carbon. So the options are this corrosion resistance of HAZ lesser than base metal. Corrosion resistance of HAZ is higher than this fusion zone. Corrosion resistance of HAZ is equal to fusion zone. Corrosion resistance of HAZ, FZ and base metal are equal. So the correct answers is A and B. So this third question is match up the following. So which is SAW, FSW, ESW, SMAW, RSW. So this submerged arc building is for a thick section. Electroslag building is for flat position, and shielded metal arc building is for surfacing and this repairing, and resistance spot building is for thin sheet. Next question is, so here we have to match these different products in this different this cooling curve in a triple T diagram. So the first one is for Martensite, so which is showing the correct. So C answer is correct. Second one is for 100% this benite. So this B answer is correct. And third part is saying 100% perlite. So the correct answer is B, C, D. Next question is on this eutectic phase diagram. So in this question we have to this identify the ratio of pro-eutectic alpha and eutectic alpha for the 30% of Q. So we have to apply this lever rule. So in this pro-eutectic alpha content is 0.57 and eutectic alpha is 0.8. So we have to identify the ratio. So 0.57 divided by this 0.8. So the correct answer is 0.7125. This is the correct answer for this. Next question is from XRD, in which it is given polycrystalline body centered cubic. The lambda is given 0.25 nanometer, and it is also given a first peak at theta is equal to 30 degree. So the first peak of BCC is 110. So we have to identify the atomic radius of this polycrystalline BCC metal. So first we have to use the Bragg's law, which is lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. So lambda is given, theta is given, so we can identify the d. So d will come here 0.25, and then we have to use the relationship between d and interplanar spacing. So which is d is equal to a divided by under root h square plus k square plus l square. So this d is this 0.25. So we can easily determine a here. So a is 0.25 into 2 into this root 2. Now we have to see for this body centered this cubic, the relationship between this a and r is 4r is equal to root 3a. So it is given here. So using this relationship, we can easily determine the atomic radius, which is 0.153 nanometer. So the correct answer is 0.153 nanometer. So the question number 7, which is MSQ type, so in which we have to identify this role of coke in blast furnace. So options are given: heat source, gas permeable medium, flux and reducing agent. So the correct answer is A, B and D. Next question is this matching type, in which we have to see this Gibbs free energy, Helmholtz free energy, enthalpy, internal energy, and we have to match with the this dependence on temperature, volume, composition, pressure and this entropy. So for this Gibbs free energy, it depends on the temperature, pressure and composition. So for Gibbs free energy it is 2. For Helmholtz free energy it is 1. It depends on the temperature, volume and composition. And for enthalpy it depends on the third part, that is entropy, pressure and composition. And internal energies depend on the entropy, volume and composition. So for Gibbs energy it is 2, Helmholtz it's 1, for enthalpy it's 3, and for internal energy it's 4. So then this next question is a dislocation a loop lies on plane this. So this loop is given PQRSTU. So it is also given that dislocation segment PU and PQ are parallel to 0 bar 1 1 and 1 bar 1 0 respectively, and also given the Burgess factor 1 by 2 bar 1 2 bar 1. So the characteristic we have to identify which characteristic is correct. So the correct answer is QR is edge and PU and PQ is mixed. So the correct answer is A, C and D, because it is MSQ type question, this one. Now we'll come to the next one, in which it is asking the effect of bottom gating compared to the top gating. So the options are enhanced mold erosion, enhanced melt oxidation, reduced mold erosion and reduced melt oxidation. So the correct answer is, because it is MSQ type, so A and D is the correct answer. Now come to the next one, which is the this matching problem. So in which it is given molecular momentum transfer, molecular mass transfer, molecular energy transfer and the radiation energy transfer, and we have to match with these different laws. So for molecular movement transfer it is Newton law of viscosity. Molecular mass transfer it is Fick's law. Molecular energy transfer it is Fourier law, and radiation energy transfer it is Stephen Boltzmann law. So this next question again, it is this one, in which different like this gallium arsenide, BaTiO3, Fe plus 4Si and yttrium barium carbonate. So we have this different one. So this gallium arsenide is used as a semiconductor. So this one is 3. Barium titanate is your piezoelectric material, and Fe4Si is used as a soft magnetic. This one, and this last one is superconductor. Next question is on enthalpy. So it is not solved yet. So we will let you know the problem, this solution. Next question is on this one. It is saying a thin plate in plane stress condition, which is given sigma xx is 110 MPa, tau xy is minus 70 MPa, and sigma yy is minus 50 MPa. So these are the different stress state is given, and we have to find out the maximum principal stress. So we have to use this formula, which is on this principal maximum stress. So it is like means, because it is maximum stress, so it is a sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 square plus a tau xy square whole under root. So by using this formula we can this using a different stress state. So the correct answer is sigma max is equal to 136.3 MPa. Next question is again, it is a numerical problem. So it is saying that a slag of 200 mm thickness is rolled with roll diameter of 500 mm, and the coefficient of friction for cold and hot rolling are given 0.4, 0.04 and 0.4 respectively, and we have to find out the ratio of maximum reduction in thickness for cold rolling and hot rolling. So we have to use this formula, delta H max is equal to mu square R. So for cold and hot rolling the radius is same, this roll diameter is same, so we have to use this formula. So the answer will be 0.01. Next question is again, it is a numerical problem. So in which the material follow sigma is equal to 1100 epsilon ki power 0.3, this power law. So alloy is cooled down to some strain followed by tensile testing, and result shows 10% reduction in area at maximum load. So find out the cold down strain. So first, by using this expression, at maximum load the sigma is equal to n is the strain hardening exponent. So your strain will be 0.3 here. And then for a 10% reduction in area we have to determine this strain. So this strain will come around 0.105, and then we have to minus the this 0.3 minus 0.105, so the answer will be 0.195. So thank you so much.